hole and take it out with your own hands. That is the activity. நீங்களே நூல் வந்து இந்த ஹோல் உள்ள போட்டு வெளியில எடுக்கணும். That is the activity. Taruneshwar mom is doing correctly. She is holding the handle here and Taruneshwar is doing the activity. Very good. Like that you can help them. But you should not tell, you should not hold their hand or you should not do the activity. Very good, ma Sukri. Sukri's mom திருச்சி கொடுங்க அந்த thread. Whenever they insert the thread, no, அது இந்த மாதிரி திருச்சி கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா it will be easy for them. Visha, try it on your own, Visha. Okay, we'll do another time. First, we'll do a standing line. Standing line first we will do. 1 minute. Let me do it from the beginning. See here. First, see here. Yes? Can you see the holes here? First, I am inserting it in one hole. See here. And I am taking it back from the back. Okay? Yes? And then from the back side, பின்னாடி இருந்து மறுபடியும் ஒரு ஹோல்ல மேம் மறுபடியும் அந்த thread insert பண்றேன். Okay? And then again I took it out. From back, I took it out. Now again through another hole to make a standing line, I'm going to insert it through another hole and take it out. Yes. Did I get a line here now? From the beginning you do it, children. Parents, remove the thread from the beginning. Let them do. Let me see. No one should interfere. Let them do it on their own. From the beginning, remove the thread first, children. All of you remove the thread first. It's very good, Sukrit. Well done. He himself did that?
Yeah, ma'am. He himself.
Very good. Very good, Sukrit Gautam. Super. Yes, Jason. Jason's mom, you can teach him because he joined now only, right? You can teach him how to do and then you remove the thread. Let him follow the same way, okay? Yes, Kavi Kartika. You did it on your own? Visha. Where are you going, Visha? Very good, ma. Well done, Keshav. Yes, Varsha. Any doubts, Varsha? Yes. And then you turn your turn it and see what shape is there.
Standing line.
What is there? Standing line or sleeping line?
Standing line.
Sleeping line. Here I have a standing line on the front side. And when I turn it back, I have a sleeping line here. Yes? Okay. Now you have done the standing line. Okay. So from the point which hole you took it out, from there to another hole, you have to put the thread inside. Now I have a slanting line. Can you see? Slanting line. Yeah, good ma, Kavi Kartika. Good, Hazel, good. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to make a shape now, triangle shape.
Straight lines.
Straight line.
Yeah, good, Madashwan. Make a slanting line. Yes. Now what shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Yes. Now you try to make any shape. Triangle. Jason's mom, is it woolen thread, Jason's mom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Maroon color woolen.
Okay. Is it very difficult, Jason? It is not going inside that hole, huh?
Throw in one hole, but do not throw in another.
Another hole, it is not going. What you should do is, you have to hold it near the tip. Near the tip, if you hold it and if you put it inside the hole, it will go easily. தூரமா பிடிக்க கூடாது. டிப் கிட்ட பிடிச்சு போடணும் ஹோல்குள்ள. ஓகே?
இந்த சைடு டிப் இந்த டிப் பிடிக்கும். ஆமா நல்லா.
நல்ல டிப் கிட்ட பிடிச்சு போடுங்க. ஜேசன்ஸ் மாம் நல்லா திரிச்சு கொடுங்க அந்த த்ரெட்.
Yes, ma'am. When he is putting, he is opening. இந்த சைடு.
Use your right hand. Are you flexible with your left hand?
Triangle, ma'am.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Yes, very good, Visha. Well done. If you are not able to do it today, no problem. Don't worry. When you are free at home, you use this activity. Okay? Ayo, Sukri, what shape is that? Hey, both the sides we have triangle only. See here. Yes, Ananya, what did you make? Very nice, Sukri. Good boy. But open tippa irukku. The same hole you have to do repeatedly. Then only you will get a triangle.
In that he couldn't.
Okay, okay. Yes, ma. Who's that? Very nice, Hazel. Super Hazel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. Mahini, where is yours?
Take.
Who is making? Daddy is making for you, va?
No.
நீங்க பண்ணுங்க. Come on. You do it. You make a triangle and show it to me.
அடிலாம் எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணல. நானா ட்ரை பண்ணி இப்படி உழுகுது, இப்படி தொம்முன்னு உழுகுது, அப்படிலாம் உழுகுது.
Okay, fine. You try. Very good. That's the spirit. You try. Until it comes, you have to try. Good girl.
No. Okay. I will just.
Come on, try. Mahini's dad, you guide her through which hole she has to insert the thread.
Oh, okay. Okay. The whole.
I want this hole.
Okay. So the whole.
Yes, Mitra.
Oh, this is very good.
Arunesh, you're doing one more time,
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Do it. Good done.
இன்னொரு hole.
Your eye and hand should coordinate together, children. When you focus on this hole only, your hand also will coordinate with your eye. Yes, good math.
இருக்கு என்னது இப்படி காட்டுங்க இது லைன் மாதிரி இருக்கா நல்லா ஃபுல்லா எழுங்க வியா
No, நான் யூ பண்ணிட்டேன்.
ஓ
யூ பண்ணிட்டீங்களா
அப்படி காட்டு
Very smart, this girl.
Turn this way.
Hey, very good, Ananya. Wonderful. Good.
You. Okay.
Square, Taruneshwar, are you making square?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Come on, show me. What shape you got, Mahini?
Show. இந்த பக்கம் டர்ன் பண்ணி காட்டணும். என்ன ஷேப் அது?
What is that?
இப்படி டர்ன் பண்ணுங்கடா. லைன்.
Varsha, what did you make, Varsha?
Lion up.
She's trying to make circle, ma'am.
Circle. Wow, super, Varsha. Well done. Very good, Varsha.
Triangle.
Very good, Keshav. Triangle. Well done. Super. Taruneshwar is making square. Varsha is making circle. Very nice. Yes, do you all like this activity?
அது உள்ள விட்டு இது பண்ணாதான் அது நிக்கும்.
What did you make? Triangle. Very good, Mitra. Super, Mitra.
இந்த சைடு.
What Sukri Gautam is making again?
Wanted to make it correctly, so.
Correct. Okay, fine. Good. Very good. Jason, finish,
Finish it.
I'm going to finish.
You're going to finish.
The triangle.
இல்ல புடி இல்ல புடி இது இல்ல இத இல்ல புடிடா கரண்டிய புடிடா.
Jason's mom. Yeah, you got it, Jason. Good. When you are free, you try this activity, okay? Then Mama will not get angry. Okay, fine. Very good, children. All of you made some shapes and many of you made standing line, sleeping line and even alphabet also. Very good. Well done. Yes, square. Taruneshwar is ready with square. Very good. Yes, well done. Varsha finished? Wow, Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Well done. Clap hands for yourself, children. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Well done. First time you are making it. That too, you made it beautifully. Very good. Another day also we'll practice this, okay? So thank you so much, children. Keep your materials down. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Hazel Kidzi Antamma.
Wind, ready to fly, beautify me, I put a language. The place, we told the mommy, I shall not you, I put a language.
Very good. Very good. Good morning to everyone. Yes, very good morning. Yes, good morning, children. Very, 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 very good morning. Okay. So, what rhymes we are going to sing is 5 little monkeys. Shall we sing 5 little monkeys today? Yes? 5 little monkeys. How many of you know 5 little monkeys? How many of you know that rhyme?
I know, sir.
Huh?
I know.
Everyone knows, okay. I'm going to sing the rhyme. You are going to do the action. Okay, children? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, what did the doctor say? What the doctor said? Very good. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. See, one fell down. Now, how many monkeys are there?
4.
Four. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, what did the doctor say?
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Yeah, now 4 monkeys were there and one fell down. Now how many monkeys are there?
3.
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Yeah, very good. 3 little monkeys were there. One fell down. How many are there? Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, 2 monkeys were there. One fell down. Now how many is there?
1.
How many? Only one is there. Okay, one little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, what did the doctor say? What did the doctor say? No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now one little monkey was there that also fell down. Is there any monkey on the bed?
No.
No monkeys were there on the
No
bed.
monkey.
Why? Because all the monkeys fell down. Okay, very good. Next is our seasons rhyme. Yesterday I taught you a season rhyme, right? It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play. Okay? Well done. Next we'll move on to our attendance. Okay, what you should say, children? Here I am.
Here I am.
Ah. Then what you should say?
There.
Hip
Here
hip.
I am.
Hooray. Okay. First Dashwan.
Last one, sir.
Ipikure.
Here I am. Enga pochi here I am.
Kure.
Okay. Very good. Hazel.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good, Hazel. Jason.
Here I am. Hooray.
Very good, Jason. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika.
Today.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Keshav.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good, Keshav. Mitra.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good, Mahirni.
சொல்லுங்க.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good, Mahirni. Radhyani Rudvin is absent. Ananya.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good. Taruneshwar.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good. Sukriv Gautam.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good. Varsha.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good. Visha.
Hooray.
Visha.
Hooray.
Very good. Thank you so much, children. Okay, yesterday we learnt about seasons. So today we are going to learn about some 2-letter words. Okay, in that you will have some new words also. So listen carefully, children. Okay. Yes, what word is this? A-M. Am. Very good. A-M. Am. A-N. An. Very good. A-N. An. Okay, good. Next. A-S. As. Very good. A-S. As. Next. A-T. At. Not it. At. A-T. At. Okay. Now this is a new word, children. Listen, everyone. Listen, everyone. B-E-B. B-E-B. Okay, repeat after mom, children, but you need not unmute yourself. Okay, B-E-B. B-Y. By. By. B-Y. By. D-O. Do. D-O. Do. What did you do? We'll ask some questions. What did you do in the morning? Like that. Do. D-O. Do. G-O. Go. Go to shop. Don't go there. Where are you going? We ask these type of words. No. Go. G-O. Go. H-E. He. For whom we'll use he? Boy or girl? For whom we'll use he? Boys. Okay. H-E. He. H-I. Hi. You say hi now when you see your friends. H-I. Hi. Okay. I-F. If. I-F. If. I-N. In. I-N. In. I-S. Is. I-S. Is. I-T. It. I-T. It. M-E. Me. மீனா யாரு? நீங்க தான். Me. It's me. நான் தான் பண்ணேன். You will say no. It's me. I did it. It's me. M-E. Me. M-Y. My. M-Y. My. It's my book. It's my crayons. It's my toy. It's my dress. He is my friend. My. என்னோடது. My. N-O. No. N-O. No. No, mummy. I didn't eat that chocolate. No, mummy. I didn't pour water. You will say no. No. Illa. No. Off. O-F. Off. O-F. Off. O-R. What is it, Mitra? O-R? Or. O-R. Or. Okay? What is this, Mahirni? O-N?
What is
O-N?
tell?
O-N? Who knows O-N? O-N? On. On. O-N. On. S-O. So. S-O. So. T-O. To. T-O. It is not to, children. To nu sollakudadu. To. T-O. To. U-S. Can anyone tell me what is U-S? Very good, Sukri Gautam. U-S. Us. Very good. U-P. What is U-P? Can anyone tell me what is U-P? Up. Very good. U-P. Up. W-E. E, we. We are friends. We are going to beach. We are going to park. We are going to school. We. W-E, we. Okay. So all those words what I've told you now is am, am, an, as, at, be, by, by, do, go, he, hi, if, in, is, it, me, no, off, or, on, so, to, us, up, we. So all these are two-letter words, children. Okay. Now I want you to take your English worksheet, children. Before that, I want you to bring two colors. Light blue, light green and dark green. And the worksheet number is 111 LT. Light blue, light green and dark green. Is ready with your colors, children? Write today's date. Today's date is 5-1-2121.
Page number, ma'am.
111 LT. Five dash 1-2222. Sorry. The date is written here. You can see the date and write in your worksheet. 5-1-2222. Here you are going to color the image as per the given color. So here the color has been mentioned, children. Capital B is given and the color is dark blue. First take your dark blue crayon in your hand. See where and all you have capital B letter. There you have to color it with dark blue. And next small b with light blue. So where all you have capital B? Here, here, and then here. Three places you have capital B. So all these three places you will be coloring it with dark blue. Start coloring. Color it neatly, children. It should not go out of the boundary. Color inside the boundary. Next is light blue, small letter B. Small letter B here. Here. Only 2 places you have small letter B, so color it with light blue. Capital G dark green and small letter G light green. The same way you have to finish one color, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Visha.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mitra.
Ma'am, you color it. Finish.
Very good. How many of you are still coloring? Yeah, very good, Varsha. Finish, Hazel. Jason. Yeah, good. Jason, Hazel. Good. Make it fast, Mahini. Ananya, color fast. Yes, good, Dharneshwar.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika.
Ma'am.
Yeah, good, Keshav. Those are finished. I want you to take worksheet number.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Dashwan. 112 pH. 112 pH.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma. Good, Sukri. 112 PH worksheet. Ananya also the same will be given Ananya's mom, but maybe the pictures might be different, okay? But the exercise is same, okay? You have to write the initial sound of the picture.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Write today's date, children. So the first picture, what picture is the first one? What is this? What picture is this? Cap. So what is the initial sound? Ka. Ka means cap. C. Cap. We are clicking castanets. Ka. Next is hat. Her at hat. So what will you write here? Her at hat. Her. Her means what letter you should write? Her. H.
Yes,
Very
loudly.
good. H for H.
Ma'am,
Her
page
hat. Hat.
is
Finish, Mahini.
done, ma'am. Page number for
Yeah,
this.
112 PH.
Okay.
Next is number 6. Six. Means what will you write? Yes. Six. Next one. Rod. 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 Means what will you write? Odd. Rod. Sound. See my dog rip the rag. And next is sun. Sun. What will you write here? Means yes. And next is pup. Pup. Pup for the candles on the pink cake. Pup. Pup.
Please, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Keshav.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Vicha. CAP, cap. Her at, hat. Six. Odd, rod. Sun. Pup. Finished, everyone?
Finish, ma'am.
It's good,
Finish,
Mahesh. Yes, those who are finished. The next worksheet will be 112 MT, number 83 and 84. Those who are finished can continue writing this. But before writing the numbers, what we should do? What should we do?
Like a name.
First, we have to count, okay? Count it and then only we have to write. Without counting, you should not write. So, here you can see some fish tank here. Shall we count? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. 83. And next you have clips here. Group of tens will start. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. 84, 84. First count it and then only you should write, children. Without counting, you should not write. No one should write without counting. Everyone should count. Finish counting it and then only you should write. Strike it out and count. Have you finished counting, Sukriv Gautam? Without counting, you're writing, huh?
83 alone he counted, ma'am. Still 83.
Okay, fine. Spell and write 83, 83. Very good, Sukriv. Jason, did you count, Jason?
83.
Ananya, you have to make it fast, Ananya.
Four, 84.
Varsha, what number you are writing, Varsha?
83.
Make it fast, Varsha. Finished, Jason? Finished, Jason? You finished,
I finished, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Wrote very fast. Good. Kavi Kartika also finished. Very good.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am. 8, 3, 80. 8, 4, 4. 84. Eight, 4, 84. Eight,
Yes, finish, everyone?
ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Please, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Those are finished. Take your slate and chalk paste. Take your slate and chalk paste. Write, na Sukriv. Take your own time. You write. No problem. I just asked them to take slate and chalk piece, huh? I will not leave you, Sukriv. I didn't start any activity. You do it. Okay, good, Ashwin.
சரி நீ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது finish பண்ணு பரவாயில்ல.
Finish. I'll wait for you. You finish. Cha. Ready? Be ready with your slate and chalk piece, children.
High five. Good job.
Very good. Now slate and chalk piece. Come on, tuck, take it fast. Okay, on that day we wrote numbers from 11 to 20. You all remember? We wrote numbers from 11 to 20, right? Now I am going to tell you numbers from 11 to 20 and you are going to write and show it to me. Okay? The numbers, whatever I am telling you, you have to write. Should not write straight from 11 to 20. In between, I will say assortedly and you have to write. Okay? Ready with your slate, everyone? Is there still anyone doing your worksheet? Who is writing? No one. Very good, children. Okay, now the first number that you have to write is 15. I will not say numbers separately. 15 சொன்னா என்னென்ன number எழுதணும். You yourself should write. 15.
கேமரா ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டா?
15. Very good, Ananya. Wonderful. Good. Very good. Visha. Good. 15. 15 means what number you should write? 1, 5, 15. Very good. 1, 5, 15. Good, Ma Mahini. I saw your worksheet. 1, 5, 15. Very good. Next number, okay? Next number is 13. 11, 12, 13. 13. 13 means what are all the numbers you should write for 13? 1. Very good, Hazel. 1, 3, 13. Very good, Visha. 1, 3, 13. Very good, Jason. Taruneshwar, Ananya, Sukriv Gautam, Varsha. Good. 1, 3, 13. Very good, Keshav. Well done. Okay. Next number is 19. 19. 19. Let me see how many of you are going to write correctly. 19. Very good, Jason. 19. Sukriv Gautam. Good. Ananya. Very good. Visha. Very good. Fine. Good. But one below the other, you have to write numbers, children. Don't write like alphabet. 19. Very good, Ma. Ananya. Good. Varsha, you don't know 19? 19. Very good, Keshav. Hazel. 19. 1, 9. 19. Taruneshwar. Good, Taruneshwar. 1, 9. 19. Good. Very good, Sukrit. Okay, next number is 11. 11. 11. 11, 12 only we'll write, no? 11. Very good, Jason. 11. Isha, Ananya, Jason, Sukrit. Very good. Taruneshwar, Hazel, Keshav, Varsha. Good. Very good. Well done. 11. Where is Mitra? Next number is 16. 16. 16. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good, Ananya. 6 0 மாதிரி இருக்கு எனக்கு. Very good. Yes, good, Visha. 16. 1, 6. 16. Ulta 6, Jason. See properly how we have written 6. Is that the right way? Or it is ulta for me?
Finish, ma'am.
Jason's mom, check whether he has written 6 correctly.
Ma'am, finish.
16. Very good. Well done, Darshan. 16. Good, Keshav. Okay. Next, the last number. Okay. Last number is 18. 18. 18. Correct only, Jason. Why are you erasing it? Right. 1. Good ma, Ananya. Very good. Ananya, Visha, Kesha, very thorough. Hazel. Good. 18. 1, 8, 18. Well done. Jason, 1, 8, 18. Have written on top. Okay. 1, 8, 18. Very good. Good, children. Very good. Okay. Children, we'll be having our Pongal celebration next week, Wednesday. That is on 12th. Okay. So, whoever wants to participate in song, dance, or speech also, you can talk about the celebration also or slokas. Whatever you want to do, you can do it on that day. If you are going to participate in anything, please type your name and the performance what you are going to do in group. Okay, if you are going to dance, type your name and type the performance as dance. Okay, so whatever you like, you can do it on that day. So keep it in your mind. Next week, Wednesday will be the celebration. So prepare for it accordingly. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation, children. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Yes, bye, children.
Bye.
Bye, children. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Often.